If I give you 2, 4, 6, 8, what comes next? Your brain already sees the pattern. Today we learn how to find and extend number patterns. A sequence is a list of numbers that follow a rule. Each number is called a term. The rule that connects one term to the next is called the common difference. In an arithmetic sequence, you add the same number each time. That number is called the common difference, written as D. Here, D equals 4. In a geometric sequence, you multiply by the same number each time. That number is called the common ratio, written as R. Here, R equals 3. Example 1. Find the 10th term of 3, 7, 11, 15. First, the first term A is 3. The common difference D is 7 minus 3, which is 4. We use the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times D. Substitute T10 equals 3 plus 9 times 4. That gives us 39. Example 2. Geometric. Find the 6th term of 2, 6, 18, 54. Each term is multiplied by 3, so A is 2 and R is 3. Use the formula Tn equals A times R to the power n minus 1. T6 equals 2 times 3 to the 5, which is 2 times 2, 43. Answer, 486. Many students use n instead of n minus 1 in the power. For the 6th term, the power is 5, not 6. Always subtract 1 from n. Remember, A for arithmetic, A for add, G for geometric, like growing by multiplying. And always use n minus 1, never just n. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com and never stop learning.